work interchangeably with terminating decimals and their corresponding fractions. How can we show that 0.375 is equal to 3/8? The first thing to check is how many digits come after the decimal point. Here we have 1, 2, 3. So we now ignore that these numbers are a decimal and we divide according to how many digits are after the decimal point. Writing this as a fraction, we have 375 as the numerator. And since there are 3 digits after the decimal point, the value we divide by needs to have 3 zeros, so 1000. If there were 2 numbers after the decimal point, we would have divided by 100, as there are 2 zeros. 375 over 1000 is a fraction, which we can now simplify further. The first thing we can do is divide both the top and bottom values by 5, since we have to divide the denominator and the numerator by the same value. 5 is the easiest value to see, so this gives 75 over 200. We can see that both of these can be divided by 5 again, giving 15 over 40. And again, these can be divided by 5, so we get 3 over 8 as our simplified fraction. We have now shown how to convert the decimal 0.375 into a fraction, which is equivalent to 3/8. We could have divided by 125, as this is the highest common factor of 375 and 1000, and would have immediately given the answer of 3/8. If our maths is good enough, we can spot instances like this and simplify fractions faster. How can we show that 7/2 is equivalent to 3.5? This time we are going the other way, from a fraction to a decimal. When going this way, we can simply divide. The line in the fraction means divide, so this is 7 divided by 2. So we actually do 7 divided by 2. How many 2's go into 7? We can use our bus stop method to work this out. 2 goes into 7 3 whole times with a remainder of 1. Now we add in decimal points at the same point in the top and bottom and add a 0 to the number being divided and carry the remainder. How many 2's go into 10? 5, and there is no remainder. So our answer is 3.5.